You work to live, but what if your work takes away your life?
Millions of workers face unemployment.
Ano ba yan? Bakit lagi na lang rejected? Bakit tuloy tumatakot sa akin?
Unfair wages and exploitation.
Grabe, 270 lang? Ang dami kong ginawang trabaho tapos ito lang?
Ano yun? Employees' rights?
Many don't even know their rights.
Oo, ate, ikaw ba?
Oo!
Ano ba yan? Another rejection na naman? Lagi na nagdala doon, nagbabago.
Diba naman po, nakaka-disappoint naman, no? Lahat ng companies nag-aaral ng experience. Paano magkaka-experience? Hindi kami nabibigyan ng chance.
Many young Filipinos struggle to find jobs despite their education and skills. Without opportunities, how can they contribute to the economy?
Uy, wala nang break. Balik sa trabaho.
Sorry po, sir. Hindi na tayo makakatakas dito. Kahit pagod na tayo, kailangan natin ng sahod.
Decent work isn't just about having a job. It's about fair wages, safe conditions, and respect for workers' rights.
Alam niyo ba, hindi karapatan kayo tumanggi sa unfair labor practices. Ibon, alam niyo ba? Ikaw. Yes.
Awareness is power. By knowing your rights, you can demand fairness and help create a better working environment for everyone.
We value our employees. Everyone deserves a fair pay and a safe environment.
Decent work creates a better future for everyone. A future where workers are respected, talents are valued, and opportunities are for all.
Know your rights. Demand fair pay.
Support and then work for all.
The future of work starts with us. Speak up. Take action. Demand change.